It is move out day. Well, it's been like move out days. We've been moving things out since, I don't know, 2 days ago. But today's like the official day. We will be in our new house tonight, which is super exciting. We still have some stuff here in this rental house that has been hell. If you saw my last video, you already know how I feel about this place, but yeah, so we're just getting everything out. My poor hubby, he has to do it all. I love him. Oh, damn it! I don't know how to use this thing. Alright, hold on. I got it finally. We're home! We're home! So when you walk in, this is what you see. Over here will be, I don't know, like a sitting area or dining area. We'll figure it out. Over here, obviously the front entrance, so I don't know. We'll figure that out too. Here's the living room. What you think, bud? It's your new home, honey. And then over here is an extra bedroom. Got a closet. My favorite room is the kitchen. Love our floors. They're like the vinyl plank or whatever. I think that's what it's called. Super popular in homes down here because it doesn't warp. And I love the shiplap here. Yeah. So I just had to order a fridge from Lowe's, so that'll be here next week, but isn't it so pretty? And then I love this door, sliding barn door. This is the laundry room. And then we've got a bathroom. One day we'll redo it, paint it, whatever. Right now I'm not too concerned. I'm just happy to be here in this house. Don't I look so pretty? Look at this bun. Whew. Can't see my belly, can you? Oh, yeah, you can. I've got my belly band on because Mom's tired. All right, let's keep going. Just have a closet, nothing special. And then here's another guest bedroom looking out to the front of the house. And here's baby Noxie's room. And then this is the master bedroom. Here's a closet. And then here's our bathroom. It's not double sinks, which I would have preferred, but it's fine. We have lots of storage. All right, and I'll show you guys the outside. That door down there leads to our 2-car garage. But here's the outside. My favorite, the pool. Cannot wait to swim in that. It's gonna feel so good. But here's our backyard. And it's nice and fenced in for the dogs. So we're gonna enclose this porch because it doesn't need to be open. Plus we can keep out all the bugs. So we'll decorate that eventually. Let's put in our feet and see how the water is. Never had a pool before, so I cannot wait to just swim in that. Gonna have lots of pool parties here. Gonna have to eventually get a diving board again. I guess they took it out for insurance purposes. Yeah, put like a basketball goal in or a slide or something. Have just like a little fire pit area. Yeah, so I'll walk you back here. I love the plants here in Florida. The tree, look at our pretty palm tree. And then back here, we're gonna clear out some of this. My husband, he wants to put like a big old garage, not a big old garage, but a garage back here. But yeah, this is where the chickens are gonna go. So we are gonna have to get chickens again, which I'm so excited about. So they'll be in this like little enclosed area. Look at all this greenery they already have to eat and chew on. It's like perfect for them. So I don't know what these people had in here before. Maybe like rabbits or something. But they already have like these coops and everything set up. But look how big this is. Isn't this cool? This is our little bungalow. We are so excited. Officially Florida homeowners. It like doesn't even seem real that we live here. We're having a baby here. I don't know, it just all happened so fast and we are just seriously so blessed and so grateful. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go around and like clean up the baseboards, mop, sweep, do all that because it's very dusty and dirty in here. So. So I do want to do like a decorating video eventually. I mean, it's going to take some time, you know, to decorate everything. I'm almost 35 weeks pregnant, so I do want to get some things done, but I'm not going to be able to do too much before he comes. But yeah, so I'm excited about that, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.